Google's AI is revolutionizing online shopping and content creation, from virtually trying on clothes to creating stunning videos with Imagen and VEO. These tools are a game changer. Stick around to see how. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for cutting-edge tech. If you're hyped for AI-powered shopping and creating, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for the latest tech drops. Let's dive into Google's AI revolution. Google dropped some wild AI tools at I/O 2025, redefining how we shop and create. First up, the Try It On feature in Google Shopping. It's like the Clueless Closet from 1995, but in 2025. Upload a full-body photo and Google's AI lets you virtually try on clothes from tons of retailers. Powered by a custom fashion-trained image generation model, it helps you nail the perfect fit and stay on top of trends. Sign up via Google Labs. Log into your Google account, enable the experiment in Search Labs, upload your pic, and click Try It On when browsing products. But that's not all. Google's also empowering content creators with Imagen 4 and VEO 3. These AI tools make it a breeze to produce high-quality images and videos, perfect for influencers, marketers, and creators. Imagen 4 crafts stunning visuals, while VEO 3 generates dynamic video ads or creative content in minutes. Whether you're a shopaholic or a content creator, these tools streamline everything, letting you focus on what matters: creating and connecting. Want to try these? Head to Google Labs to test the Try It On feature and keep an eye out for Imagen and VEO in Google's Creator Suite. Google's AI is making shopping and content creation smarter and more fun. Which are you most excited for? Virtual try-ons or AI-powered videos? Drop it in the comments, like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay in the loop with GadInsider for more tech news.